Hey, all back for the rest of these. Now, what I did not notice, mainly because I am an idiot, is that there are actually some gold inserts in these. So, normal ones, gold ones, various insert sets here. Metalmen, Wizards of Woodwood, Big Air Club, the A-list, still searching for our autograph or whatever, and mini posters, which is a nice addition. I'm just having to rattle through these because you've seen most of them. Hands-on training. Matt Andrews. Oh, got my autograph. There we go. It is Dave Brumlow BMX. I say I've got one. There might be more than one in here. You never know. Let's just turn that on its side. Nice on-card autograph there. That's cool. Prefer those. Way prefer those. Gold. 2 golds. Remember, oh, somebody's posted on my Razor Poker Break. Remember, you can get 30% off this rather cool set, the box, by mentioning me when you buy these from Hobbies and Supplies. Sorry, I was just sorting myself out. Ed Templeton, I've not seen him before. There's a few coming out I've not seen before actually, but so many cards. 28 packs, 10 cards to a pack. I had to think about them. Yes, the word cards. That's what we're looking for. Now this one, we've got 2 golds at the back. We've also got a poster again. Have a look. Yeah. It is. Oh, that's nice. Louise and Laura. Who's it? But very, very, very slow to break the box off. Got an afternoon, you know. Cool photograph. Templeton, McKay, Joe Rich, Jerry Bagley, Kenny Hughes, Matt Andrews. These are people we've not had before, actually. Oh, insert. It's a Metalman. Season more. Not sure whether we've had a Metalman thing. We've had everything else. And then golds of Jeremy Ray and Josh Petty. It'd be nice to get a set of gold and a set of normal ones. I imagine 2 boxes of this are likely to get pretty close. Scott Birch. Jeremy Jones, sadly not Jenny Jones. Ooh, Jamie Bestwick, Big Air Club, that's cool. And which pile are we going on here? Is that one? Photography on these is superb. One pile, Jenny, getting confused. Doesn't take much. Okay, some of these ones. Howard, Gabe Weed. Cool. Dave Bonker. The A-list is, oh, Matt Hoffman. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know he was in this. And then I've got golds of Rune and Joey Garcia. Some Wizards of Woodwood, Skateboard Park. Incidentally, there are golds versions of these as well, it turns out. So there's quite a lot to go at. Neil Hendricks, Brian Howards, Kip Williamson. I've got a poster. These are intriguing. I wish they'd make hockey cards like this. Barrett Christie. Oh, cool. Golds, Canton Russell, Mr. Julio or Julio. Do you seem to get like almost a couple of extra cards in each pack of this? You kind of expect it to end, and then you get a few more. Ethan Allison, Todd Grossman. I don't think we've seen him before. Nick Doggle. No, we definitely haven't seen. Oh, Wriggle. Sorry. Oh, these are all new people. Mike Fraser. Big Air of Colin and Kay. These are definitely new people. Oh, I've also got a Foam Pits again, but it's the gold variant. and Biker Sherlock gold. Never thought I would see the day when I was breaking Street League cards, honestly. Templeton, S. Camilla, J. Rich, Neil Hendricks, Ryan Kempfield, Kit Williamson. Another auto. I have a feeling we wouldn't just get the one. It's Morgan Pascoe. Nice on card autograph. Job's a good one. And then Ansu Sari and Jamie Thomas are 2 golds. Excellent, 2 autographs. Cool. Apparently in this you can get like bits of people's tyres and stuff. I wouldn't say no sort of Jamie Bestwick tyre card. I think that would be cool. Corey Nastasio. I don't know him, sorry. Brian Tunney. Dave Weed again. Seen him. Trevor Mayer. These are new people again. The A-list. Louisa Mora. Tom Hogan and Kane Gale are the 2 golds. Lee Ramsdale, Rob Dydek, don't know him. Got a poster. So, Matt Hoffman. And Rob, whatever his name is, is a gold. And I've got a BMX cage gold as well. Oh, that's a cool one of Tommy Flowers. Look at that. They scare the hell out of me, I tell you. They scare the hell out of me. I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they live. How do you get back on a bike when you're 30 feet in the air? Don't understand. Kenny Anderson, Ryan Kempfield, Blake I can't pronounce, Halakoff, Bestwick, and then Hendricks and Danny Montoya are the 2 gold ones. Garrett Christie, Tina Dixon, Girl Power, Tommy Clamers again, Brian Tunney doing weird things to his bike, and Rob, Chad DeWitt, Trevor Mayer, Big Air Club of Matt Hoffman. Photography on these is just stunning. I love it. Well done, Flair. This is very well put together. Gabe Weed and Chad Otterstrom. 2 golds. TJ Livin and Feinberg. Rob Nolly, not heard of him before. He appears to be in a position not wholly normally human, frankly. Kenny Anderson, Framer, Blake can't pronounce, several blokes can't pronounce, and the golds of Jamie Bestwick and Nick Miller. And the last pack of this box, there is another one, because it costs hardly anything more to send another one, to be honest. Tina Dixon, Robin Morales, Rob Nolly, Lee Ramsdale, Sari, Keenan Harkin. Oh, this is a nice one. Marcus, is it Egg? Or Edger or something? Nice card. Poster. Colin McKay. Don't think I've had any duplicate posters, so that's good. And then the golds at the back are Bagley and Stasio. So, in one box we've got probably a set. Plenty of gold parallels. A pile of little posters, which is, I think is a great idea. No duplicates of those. Then, medal men. Mora, Feinberg, and Jamie Bestwick. Then a load of Wizards of Woodwood, including some gold variants of those. I can't see what I'm doing. Then the A list of Louis Zamora, Matt Hoffman, Tara Dakidis, and Louis Zamora. Then Big Air Club of Matt Hoffman, Colin McKay or Mackay, not sure how you pronounce it across the pond, Jamie Beswick, Mora again, that's a lovely photograph, Feinberg, Solano, and Roadhouse. And then, wasn't expecting this, I thought I'd only get one, but I got two autographs. The first was Dave Brumlow, and the second was Morgan Pesco from Florida. So that was actually a pretty cool box in the grand scheme of things. I'll try and put some sets together. I've got another box of this. I won't break it live because it'll take ages and you've seen most of the cards. I suppose I could break it live but just run through them and just tell you what the inserts are and stuff. But yeah, they're pretty cool actually, and they're cheap. 30% off at Hobbies and Supplies when you mention my name, my channel. Just do it. Thumbs up.